This fire ran freely from one end of this building to the next. It's a complete city block and it is on fire. It's been a while since in Denver we've had a fire of this magnitude.
We begin with breaking news. More than 100 firefighters on the scene of a raging 5-alarm fire on the border of Denver and Glendale. We're told it is an unoccupied 3-story apartment building that's under construction. Now, it started about 6:45 this evening near Leetsdale Drive and South 4th Street. And this is a live look I believe we have from Air Tracker 7. Residents nearby initially received alerts ordering them to evacuate. Now, Denver Fire says all those evacuation notices have been rescinded. And Denver 7 viewers have been sending us these dramatic photos and videos of heavy smoke, lots of flames. And I want you to take a look at this and look at that. You see that? The building on fire then collapses. Denver 7's Claire Lavazorio live near Leetsdale and Forest with what we know at this hour. Claire?
Shannon, just moments ago, we learned one firefighter has been injured in what officials are now calling a 5-alarm fire. We're just about as close as you can get off of South Leetsdale near Alameda. And take a look at this building, still under construction, smoke billowing out of what would be the windows, as well as above this building called Harker Heights that fire officials tell us is under construction. Neighbors that I talked to tell me they heard several pops, and then minutes later, the flames were essentially above the treetops, hundreds of feet tall. So that is when firefighters started knocking on their doors and they were forced to evacuate. Several of those evacuated families are here in this parking lot across the street watching as firefighters work to get this under control. Here's a view from Air Tracker 7 as firefighters from across the metro attack these flames. We know about 100 or well over 100 were called in to fight this fight. As I mentioned, one firefighter has been injured, but firefighters say with this building being under construction, there was no drywall to keep the fire really in its place or contained at all. They do have it contained to just this apartment building, though. But neighbors who live behind the building still under evacuation orders as we speak. Here's part of my conversation with some of those neighbors tonight.
Suddenly it went from just a glow to where I was seeing maybe 150 foot, because the tree that I was looking at perspective, there was at least 100 feet worth of fire over the top of that tree.
The firefighters were pounding on our doors to get out. So we basically just grabbed a couple things. I have my dog in the car, and it's really, really scary because I don't know if we're going to be able to go home again.
It was all hands on deck to battle this blaze. We're learning even Denver Fire increased the water pressure to this area near Glendale to be able to fight this fire. As you heard, one of the firefighters we interviewed said this is the biggest fire he has seen in years. No word yet on what caused this fire and if it's related to the construction that was happening here. But firefighters are here, fire officials rather, are here investigating what caused this fire. As for the South Leetsdale area, that is expected to be closed through most of the night. As soon as we get any more updates, of course, we'll update you both on air and online. I am live in Denver tonight. Claire Lavazorio, Denver 7.
All right, Claire, we are hoping for the best for that injured firefighter. Sharp work out there tonight, Claire. Thank you very much. And a lot of people have been displaced because of this. And there are significant power outages. And Glendale has opened a temporary overnight shelter at the Glendale Event Center. This is on East Kentucky. Now, anybody in need of a safe place to stay can head over there, and we have the exact address listed for you there on your screen.